So I pause. Wake up.
So I'm gonna come around and check on you over your shoulders as you're sort of working with your partner.
Not one. Well, you need to do.
I've never
Hello,
been.
microphone.
Did you already do the previous one by yourself? Okay. So
So like,
yeah, Eunasia, can you move on to the second one that Hassan's on, and can you guys work it together?
Yes.
Okay. And you guys are doing.
oh my gosh, peasant. If
You
you were
already started
listening,
on that one. So can you move over to the second
you
one?
would know.
Yo,
Yeah.
stop talking on my man's like,
I gotta write it again.
Well, yeah, there's two.
Yo, I don't care about that. Like, I'm a slur.
Yeah, we're doing each of them
Slur me out.
for practice.
Oh. Slur me out.
Mr. Drake, how much you pay for these?
Oh, I didn't. They're my department chairs. I think she got it with budget money, maybe. I don't know. We can
I
probably.
don't think
figure
they're
it out.
that much. I think they're like $50 or something.
Yeah, it's probably not that
Yeah, Andre, what are we doing? Yo, Miss Cedric, please explain this
bad.
to
Okay,
him.
Bro, just rewrite it.
Bro,
in
if you
a
don't know it, bro,
regular
just say
form,
that, bro.
Right?
correct, Angel. That's it.
There you go.
Yeah. So why don't you guys just be a triple? I mean, I know Demario's in here too, but he went out. So you can work this poem. There's the three of you as a group. Angel's already got a start. So DeAndre, flip over to the next one, and like Angel said, we're gonna read this one on the right, left, and then rewrite it. So DeAndre, will you read us "I've Never Been" out loud?
Yeah, got you. I've never been in an earthquake. Don't know if this was even close to how they are, but the ground definitely felt like it opened up and ate me. Hey, Brandy.
Perfect. You read that really well,
Hey.
despite all the. Yeah, and you read it with more of the pauses that the space is showing.
Huh?
Definitely. Oh,
Yeah, because there's space. All right, so in the next box, just write it in regular sentence from left to right without any word spaces.
Like you gotta like rewrite it
Kinda.
like somewhat.
So just
like
you're gonna
somewhat-
rewrite. So pick up your pencil.
Alan, first
And you're
off,
gonna
Alan,
start
first
with-
off.
On the left, because that's where we
I
start
was
usually
explaining.
writing normal words.
Thank you.
I've never been in an earthquake.
Sorry.
No,
Yes,
it's
look
okay.
at
Thank
Angel,
you.
right? He's your partner right now.
Thank you.
So
Yo, copy this down, Chud.
We appreciate you.
he's got it. Well, rather than just
Okay, so we
copying
have
it,
to
tell him
write
how
it
you did it.
Oh, I just reworded it.
You didn't reword it. You just
Wonder how
What's it
loud
called?
this
Like,
is. Doesn't make sense.
rewrote it.
Rewrote it, yeah.
Why are you
Yeah,
making it?
as if it were in
At your grown
prose.
age. How old are you?
I've never felt,
Like
I never felt
17.
an earthquake.
Yeah.
Didn't know for sure. The ground was
That's active.
definitely shaking.
Alright.
Oh, you did rewrite it. No.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
So no, we don't want to do that. We're not going to change the author's words.
But you're not
We're going to
acting
just
it,
change
are
the
you?
format. So you did the exact right
I'm
format.
sorry.
It looks
So it's just like
regular, but
ADHD.
you want to rewrite the
know.
same words. Don't erase it. Just squeeze it. Just squeeze it underneath.
Remember that? You know
Or you
that?
can
Oh my
even
god.
read
Alright,
it.
whatever.
That is so
So,
fake.
huh?
Alright,
So
yeah,
I'm like,
that's what
I'm
you
keeping
just
the same
gave.
That
word.
is legit
Exactly.
so fake.
I'm just rewriting it.
Yep. Look at DeAndre's.
Why are you laughing?
Can you show us yours real quick, DeAndre?
Not really.
Who's he?
Not really that funny.
Just lost it, man.
That was the
I don't even
same,
know about this one.
but then it's the same. Don't know if. So he took that space out, right? It's like just regular writing,
Oh, okay.
left to right.
Get through.
There you go.
In that bag.
Nah, 'cause when you look at it, it's cold.
Special soap.
Nah. That's-
Okay.
Okay, so like I have two dolls right next to me. I'm scared.
Yes, go ahead. That's fine. Just go. All right. So have you just sat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So how do we start?
We start by rewriting the verse. you know?
Yes, and we're gonna start by reading it since you guys are elbow partners. We're gonna read this. So Alan, start reading for us in that bag, please.
In that bag. Special soap for my mother's. Was it?
Eczema.
Eczema? Okay. I've seen her scratch it until it bleeds. Pick up the pus, Bubbles and flaky. Scales. Curse the invisible thing trying to eat her.
Yeah. So you pretty much, what I heard you doing is you stopped your voice when there was space or the end of the line,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we're gonna try to remove those spaces.
We're gonna make it more smooth.
We're gonna smooth it out by writing it normally from left to right in this next box, like you did on the first one. So Brandy, did you understand that piece? Okay. So can you start to rewrite this? Literally in that bag.
It's adorable.
It is. Keep writing, Alan.
But like,
And make sure you're copying all the punctuation.
I'm sorry. Well, are you dumb?
We're not gonna use that word.
Bro,
That's not a kind word.
just write all this. But put it together. Take out this. You're oh my.
No, no, you helped him, and we didn't need to be critical
He's really
while we
popping
did it.
off, DeAndre.
Okay?
That's it.
Okay, so like when it says like definitely, like I feel like it's like stretched out like definitely a little bit, and then when it said opened up, like it opened.
Yes. So he made that choice on purpose. He split the words to show what happens in an earthquake to the ground.
Like just put them there.
It cracks, right? It separates, it splits. So he was doing that with.
Oh look, 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 look.
Yes.
He said that's
Exactly, that's like the big crack.
The whole thing.
I love that note that you're making. You're drawing the line through the words.
100%.
Mr. Fisher, can you come capture that? Okay, good. Could you see her paper pretty well? Oh, okay. So she's drawing a line to show the crack through. You're awesome.
Why'd you take your shirt off?
All right, so you guys are ready for the next part since you've rewritten, which is now to start to make some observations about what he did on the left that was so different from normal. What were some things he decided to play with, to mess with? Yeah. So show me that with a mark. Like maybe you circle it, maybe you put an arrow, maybe you highlight it. But you're trying to draw attention to those things he did. Can you wait till Marquise gets back? If he's not back in 3, then yes. I'll keep an eye out. 10:10, you can go. So same things, Zaire. Make some. See how Angel's kind of drawing, marking the weird stuff going on the left. Like you can see spatially that something's different.
Why he separate definitely?
That's a great question. Why did he do it? I would write that in the side. Why did he separate? Yeah, so we're gonna hang tight for your group, and you can start to think about, like Angel's asking some really good questions that you could start to answer now. So he said, why did he separate? What was it? Definitely.
Yeah.
Why do you think he separated that word
Or open.
or the word
Why he
open?
just put the O, only the O away from
What's going on in this poem? Like, what's the thing that's happened to the ground?
It's like
Earthquake.
And
really like what?
when the earthquakes happen, what happens to the ground aside from shaking? Aside from
Breaks.
cracks open, right? So what's happening with his poem?
Oh, it's cracking. So it's like he's like putting the crack into the words. Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's what you read at the bottom. That whole thing. That's awesome. Okay. So the timer went off, but it seems like we're still thinking through the bottom half, which is fine. Hands to yourselves, please. DeAndre, did you catch what Angel was talking about? Do you have...
Oh no, I don't got it.
Okay. Did you catch what he was talking about with the cracking of the ground being reflected in the cracking of the words? See how the words are kind of split open? Yeah. So that's the kind of observation we're going to write in a sentence at the bottom. It's a lot of work. You guys are doing great. So we're gonna, now some of you are in different poems than others. And that's fine, because it's the same process Sayer, you can pop to the bathroom now.
Thank you.
Yep. Hannah, would you mind if I grabbed your packet to put under the camera for a second? I really liked the annotating you did. Thank you.
Wow.
And Hannah, I'm gonna let you just kind of talk us through what you drew here.
I drew like the crack that he's like making through the words and like the poem, like to show like the earthquake, like a crack that earthquake made.
Perfect. So if you guys didn't have that, you could, this is why we collaborate to get some new ideas. So there's definitely a crack here. Angel, what had you written about?
Oh, the during the earthquake, the ground shoots and the ground cracks. So some of the walls are cracked, like how it was happening in the poem.
Yeah. The poem's reflecting the actual event of an earthquake with cracking. The words cracking the line. And we all have that similar idea down here at the bottom. That would be totally lost if all we ever got was this side of it. If that's what it looked like in the book, it's the same content, but so much meaning is lost.
We got the same thing for this one.
Yes. Okay? So I'm gonna let you guys kind of work on whatever next one you want, whether it's a partner one or it says independent at the end. You can work one more with a partner, and then we're gonna pause.
You can wait.
Okay? So you can pick which other one you want to do with a partner. It can be from the independent work if you want it to be. But one more with a teammate.